Good morning, 4th grade. We are ready for math lesson 141 today. We're going to start off with some concept cards. Go ahead and give the answer quickly, and then I will show you the answer. We're working with our metric prefixes today and the metric unit, the metric system measuring length. So go ahead and answer them as quickly as you can. What does kilo mean? 1,000. What does, let's go ahead and start with these. What does deci mean? 1/10. What does centa mean? 1/100th. What does milli mean? 1,000th. What does deca mean? 10. What does hecto mean? 100. 1 centimeter equals how many millimeters? 10. 1 meter equals how many millimeters? 1,000. 1 kilometer equals how many meters? 1,000. 1 hectometer equals how many meters? 100. And 1 decameter equals how many meters? That is 10. Our lesson for today is a review lesson. Tomorrow we have a test. We will not be having a math video class tomorrow. We just have our test. So let's go over decimals for today's lesson. I have some fractions here on the board, and we're just going to go over how to write them as a decimal. Grab a piece of paper and a pen or a pencil. Quickly grab a blank piece of paper, or if you have a space that you can write neatly in your book, grab that. So first of all, 3/10. How do we write 3/10, the fraction, as a decimal? Go ahead and write that down, what you think, and then I will show you the answer here. We'll see if you have the correct thing. Write 3/10 as a decimal. Now remember, since it's 10th, it should have 1 decimal place. So we're going to write 0.3. Alright? 13 and 400th. Write that as a decimal. Remember, and is where our decimal place should be. So we're going to write 13 point. Now 100th means there should be 2 decimal places, but we just have a 4, so we have to go 0, 4. 13 and 400th. If you would put the 4 first and the 0 last, it would be 13 and 40/100th. So be careful with that. We need 2 places, but it's just 4, so we have to write 0, 4, so that it still only says 400th. 27 and 82/100th. Write that as a decimal. That would be 27, and is our decimal point. 82/100th, that needs 2 decimal places, and that works because we have the number 82, so there's 2 places. 27 and 82/100th. 7 and 5,000th, write that as a decimal. 7, and your decimal place is your decimal, the word and is your decimal point. Now 1,000th means that we need 3 decimal places, but we just have the number 5, so we have to write 0, 0, 5. Okay, not 500, because again, that would be 500,000th, but 0, 0, 5. So then it's 7 and 5,000th. Work your lesson today carefully. Like I said, it's a review lesson. Let me know if you have any questions. Tomorrow's our test, so review anything that you do not feel ready for. And I will talk to you later, and I will see you in language class.